Alright, bloggers, let's turbocharge your workflow with an AI stack that actually saves time. Rapid-fire list, clean picks, and how I'd use each one. Ready? ChatGPT, your draft rocket ship. I use it to outline, draft intros, and punch up transitions. Pro move, give it your voice guide in 3 sample posts. Claude, your draft rocket ship. Same use, outlines and tone matching. Perplexity, research without rabbit holes. It cites sources and summarizes fast. Ask for 5 contrarian angles with links and you're off. Notion AI, second brain with superpowers. Turn messy notes into briefs, FAQs, and checklists in one click. Grammarly, final polish. Catch tone slips, jargon bloat, and sneaky passive voice. Language tool, final polish. Alternative grammar and tone checks. Hemingway editor, the make it pop button. It cuts fluff and gives you short, scannable sentences readers love. Co-schedule Headline Studio, headline sparring partner. Test for power words, clarity, and skimmability. Write 10, keep 1. Surfer SEO, SEO with receipts. Paste your draft, get topics, questions, and ideal word count. No more keyword guessing. ClearScope, SEO with receipts. Another tool for topic gaps and content scoring. Originality.ai, sanity check. If you blend AI and human writing, this flags over-automation and catches plagiarism. Midjourney, custom thumbnails and hero images. Feed it your brand colors and vibe for a consistent look. DALL-E, custom thumbnails and hero images. Alternative image generator for brand art. Canva, speed design. Carousels, Pinterest pins, banners, templates, plus brand kit. Ship fast and on brand. Descript, turn posts into videos or podcasts. Text-based editing, remove ums, add captions, repurpose in an hour. 11 Labs, realistic voiceover, great for audio blogs and reels. Keep it short, keep it clear. Play.ht, Cedar, realistic voiceover. Another high-quality TTS option. Whisper, your transcription that actually works. Interview experts, get quotes, build authority pieces quickly. Otter, transcription that actually works. Great for interviews and notes. Zapier, automate the boring. New post, auto-share to socials, save highlights to Notion, email your list. Make, automate the boring. Alternative automation flows. Beehive, newsletter engine. Draft with AI, segment by interest, and turn blog readers into superfans. ConvertKit, newsletter engine. Another newsletter platform option. Bonus workflows you'll use today. Angle Factory, Perplexity for sources. ChatGPT for outline. Surfer SEO for gaps. Grammarly for polish. Authority Builder, Otter transcript. Notion, AI summary. Pull 10 quotes. Canva graphics, schedule everywhere. Thumbnail sprint, draft title. Co-schedule improvements. Midjourney concept. Canva tweaks. A/B test. My prompts to steal. You are my blog editor. Rewrite this intro in my voice. Curious, practical, a bit playful. Keep under 90 words. Summarize these 5 sources into a contrarian take. Add 3 expert quotes I can verify. Create an outline with H2S, H3s, FAQs, and a 160-char meta description for topic. Quick guardrails, fact-check claims, cite sources, and always add personal experience. AI drafts, you differentiate. If this helped build your stack 1 tool per week, less overwhelm, more output, better posts. See you in the next one.